Eeyore is an old stuffed donkey in the popular Winnie the Pooh books and is famous for being a loyal friend. I've got an easy way to draw him just the way he looks in his storybooks and movies. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The supplies we need to make this drawing are pretty simple, just a pencil, black marker, paper, and a few crayons. You can also find a link to a step-by-step tutorial in the description below. My secret tip is to draw with center pencil guidelines on my paper. You can also just fold your paper in half in both directions too to make a creased line to follow. Step number 1. Let's start with Eeyore's body, which is kind of wide and round. I'm going to start by making marks where the neck is, and then mark how far down it goes and how wide it is. After those marks are in place, then place your pencil on the neck, draw a smooth curved line down, around the rear end, and then back up, back to the neck. Step number 2. The head shape is kind of unusual, but I'll take it slow. Start at the top of the neck, draw up for the top of the head, and then down towards the nose, which is large and kind of bumpy, and then come around and back to meet the bottom of the neckline. Step number 3. Now we can start the legs. The back one is easy, and it's just rounded curve shape. After it's in place, be sure to erase that line that's inside, and then do the same for the front leg, drawing the same shape and also erasing that line inside. Step number 4. The back 2 legs are added now. They're pretty easy and just a bit shorter as they are a little further away. Step number 5. Eeyore has long floppy ears. The one on the right side is just a simple shape that's hanging down. And do remember to erase that line inside there too. The other ear is added now. It has pretty much the same shape. There's just a fold line added inside. Step number 6. Eeyore has a mane that starts on his back and comes up to the top of his head. That bottom line is smooth and the top is kind of zigzag to look a little more hair-like. Next come the seam lines in Eeyore's face, as he is a stuffed animal. The line goes down the center of his face, and then there's a seam line across his nose too. Step number 7. Now we can draw his eyes, and they do have a kind of sad look to them. They have droopy sides and kind of droopy eyebrows, and a line underneath each one too. To finish his face, we can just add 2 small holes for his nose and a line for his mouth. Step number 8. A few more seam lines and stitch lines are added, one on his legs and one on his belly. And finally, a tail is added in back, which shows just a bit. I do recall that it's attached by a nail if you want to add that too. And then we can finish up with part of a bow. Step number 9. All right, our Eeyore drawing is done, so it's time to get out that black marker and start carefully tracing over all of those pencil lines. And before we put that black marker away, it's the perfect tool to color in the tail and that very black mane. Okay, here's the part where I remind you to erase any pencil lines that might still be showing. Now it's time to color. You know, some stories describe Eeyore as being gray, but I saw some pictures where he was blue, so I'm going to use that color. All I have to do now to get that lighter blue color is use the same crayon but not press quite so hard. His nose is kind of a peach color, and some purple for his tail. See, wasn't that a pretty easy way to draw Eeyore? And I do think it looks just like him. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more cartoon drawing lessons, including how to draw Winnie the Pooh and how to draw Piglet. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I'm so happy you joined me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.